Okay, hello and welcome to another episode of What's New. So I've got another box. Just going to open it up. Let me get that sorted. Alright. Okay, so box of goodies. Woohoo! Alright, I'll open this up. And first thing we have is some track. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of curved track. And they are Hornby curved track. And we've got flat straight, and we've got some more, another 2 more pieces of straight, small curve, set of points. These are Hornby points, 8072, so 2 right-handed points, and that works fine. And that works fine. Alright. And then we've got some more. So we've got a curved track, that's a Hornby. And they're Hornby straights. So 3 straights, a curve. We've got another Hornby straight. 600, 600, 600, 600. 600 and 600. So we've got lots of nice straights. They're all second hand, of course. Oops. So that's good. And we've got another lot of track by the looks, curve. And we've got these are the same size? No, they're longer. So these are 607s and these are 609s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of 609. So that's good, all for my layout, which I'm collecting, so that's good. And we have some more straight track by the looks of this, some long straights. These are Hornby 601, 601 and 601, so another couple of long straights, so that's all good. No bits fall out. Oh. Alright, now we get to the good part. I'll just move these out the way, put these in my track box because that's what I have. Alright, now this is an actual train set that I bought. So it's a train set with extra track. So there's extra track. So here's the controller, but it's a train set but not in a box. So here's a Hornby train track controller. Reasonably good nick. So yep. We have a, what have we got? We've got a buffer, and we've got some coupling parts, and a Hornby power connector. connector itself. So this is an AC adapter. Comes out at 19 volts at 500 milliamps output. Alright. Then we have some of bubble wrap. Alright, let's carefully unwrap this bubble wrap. Oh, it's one of those bubble wrap bag things. Alright, so carefully get all this out. Okay, how do we get this? Right, alright. So we have one wrapped up with some paper as well. So blood and custard. Oh, that's very nice condition. Very nice. Look at that. No scratches, no markings at all. And it says Hornby made in China. And it's got metal wheels that roll beautifully. Alright, so that's the guards van and first class. Then we have another one wrapped in paper as well, which is good, and another first class guards as well. So we have buffers there, all the top's beautiful, the sides are in good nick. It says Hornby made in China, metal wheels, and we have couplings. And we have another one wrapped in paper. And we have more first class. This is a normal carriage in immaculate condition. So I dare say this has not been used much at all. Metal wheels, all the couplings look okay. Hornby made in China. Everything's beautiful. So this will go down in the collection quite well, actually. So alright. So I suppose you all want to know what's the Loco. Well, here we go. Da-da-da-da! A Hornby Mallard. Whoop whoop! I've been looking for one of these for a while. So I got the train, 3 carriages, controller, and a whole lot of extra track, all as one lot. So whoop whoop! And it's a very reasonable price second hand. So I'm very happy with that. So we shall open it up. And it's second hand, but it's like new. Everything is spotless, which is what I wanted. And this is absolutely fantastic. It's still got the piece of foam between the Loco and the tender, which is awesome. Look at that. I don't think this has been run, to be honest. Oh yes, it has been run, because you can see it on the wheels. And this is a Loco drive, not a tender drive, so that's good. And it says in the bottom, Hornby made in China. Hornby made in China. So we have rear pickup on all 4 wheels, so that's good. Contacts don't quite touch all the way when the wheels are all the way out. But that's alright, I can fix that. Very minimal use. I'll get a battery on this just to see. There we go, look at that. Whoop, whoop. Oh, lovely. Love it. So we've got pickups there, but we've got no pickup there. Oh, that's why, because the pickup's not actually touching. So those pickups need a once over. But otherwise that is absolutely beautiful, immaculate, not a scrap of dust anywhere. It's got no couplings on the front, but it's got air hose. 60022 Mallard. There's no marks anywhere. Hornby coupling that end. Buffers and everything looks alright. Looks beautiful. So carefully turn it over. And it says again RA96022. Handrails, whistle. I am absolutely wrapped. So we've got a bit of detail there with the brake wheels and so forth, and we've got some stuff inside the cab, but it's not painted, but there is details there, the firebox and things. So wow, I am absolutely speechless. This is awesome. So there's no excess oil, there's nothing, but just those brushes on the front end there need a bit of bending out, and some of those on the back need just a little bend to help them contact when the wheels are moving from side to side. But I am absolutely blown away. This is awesome. So I think we need to put it on the track. All right, I'll pause the video and I'll be back shortly. Alright, so I've got the Mallard on the track. Got the coaches all lined up. And it's a 00 scale, so you know. Alright, so let's give it a go. Whoop whoop! Nice and slow to start with. Oh, I love it! Right, let's give it a bit of speed. Let's give it a bit of speed. Seeing it is the fastest train, let's give it Herbie's. Alright, we're at flat out now. Whoop whoop! That is flat out. Oh! Oh, love it! Woof!